Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am back in the Dollar Tree, so you know what that means. Let's go shopping. So as you can tell, they're just unloading fall. There's a lot to see. I've already spotted something that we didn't see in the last Dollar Tree. These little standing pumpkins I knew came in orange, black, and cream, but I haven't seen that one in the green. So let's look at a few of their signs they're starting to put out for fall. They've got the stacked version, faux planks in 2 versions this year. They are different from the last couple of years. They also have a couple different versions of the mason jar. This one was out last year, but this one definitely looks new with the wheelbarrow and some sunflowers. We've got some new square signs to choose from. The thankful and blessed and grateful are all glittered. And then they have this one that is brown glitter. Friends gather here. Really good size square. Down below those signs, they've got a new vertical sign. I think it's super cute. The text is in glitter and it's on a faux planked wood. They also have a new red truck garden stake this year. Farm fresh pumpkins, 25 cents a pound. Now this arrow is done in glitter, but this has no glitter on it. They have a couple of new signs for their front yard stakes. I think the football one we've seen in the years past. This one's definitely new for this year in colors. And they've also got one back here. So it comes in this version, Home Sweet Home, with a little bit more orange to it. And then the friends gather here. They're also putting out the metal corn on the cob that we saw last year. I love these, they're so cute. Something new are these little metal sunflower garden stakes. These definitely look like something you'd find at Hobby Lobby. Over here they brought back the large thankful and blessed pumpkin in white glitter, and then the family, friends, and football vertical hanging sign. Down here, I think we saw these last year, harvest blessings, and it also comes in give thanks in the sunflowers. And these are back that were very popular last year on the black backing in the apples and in the farm fresh pumpkins. Over here they've got some of the red trucks. I haven't seen any other colors at this store. And the felt banners. So they've got one in brown, this one in red, and down here one in green. It is football themed. And then they've got the Happy Thanksgiving planked sign, and this one in autumn with the sunflowers. And then over here they're putting out some text signs that you can DIY. They're press board. They come in gather, family, and thankful way up top. Let me show you guys for a size reference. They're a really good size for the Dollar Tree. Down here they've got some window clings in the pumpkins and also in the turkey. And they've started to put out some of their garlands. Now they're pretty sparse, but they're 5 feet. I'm finding them in 2 different colors. So they've just put out some ribbon and mesh for fall. They've got the tulle, glitter, and then some prints of leaves on the tulle. A few copper and gold. Of course, the glitter comes in orange, some burgundy and gold, and then some mesh. This has some gold threading to it, so I'm finding it in dark brown, orange, green, and yellow. Guys, they put out their fall ribbon and it is gorgeous. It's the best ribbon I've seen in years. They've got a dark red and cream check, a almost burlap texture green, some text. This one with the red trucks and pumpkins, and it looks like it could belong in JOANN fabric. It does have gold trim. They've got some glitter, some maple leaves and plaid, and down here they've got a brown plaid that is gorgeous. They also did a black and white buffalo plaid, and I love this one in the burnt orange. They also have some smaller ribbons. These are so cute as well. They've got a truck, a natural burlap, some leaves, some orange, pumpkins. I love the check in orange, and the green has some little owls to it. I've just put out some more fall pumpkins, and I think this white one might be new to the collection this year. Over here they put out their wire frames for DIYs. They've got it in the large pumpkin and the small round. Over here they've got one in a witch's hat, and they also have the massive one. I think this one's 18-inch, and they're putting out all of the mesh that you can use to DIY them. Okay. So on this little end cap they have some really cute little owls. Now they have the hats on top from years past, so the same ones. Some of their glass pumpkins. Down here they've got their little, I'm gonna call them centerpiece pumpkins with floral on top. This one is a little orange burlap, but you can see the styrofoam. They have these that are covered in beads, and down here these that are, I think, a treasure. They're sort of velvety, covered in fabric. They come in a white. There is a champagne version I've seen, brown, orange, and a dark green. They've started to put out their carvable pumpkins in styrofoam. I'm so excited. I'm definitely gonna grab a few. Down here they've got some really cute little pom-pom style pins, and it looks like some new little journals. They are in plastic, which is really nice. So they've got the mermaid version, a donut, don't even, can't touch this, and this one, you're baking me crazy. Down here they have some more notebooks. So this one says it's a 2-piece. This one's got some diamonds, some stars on this one, and then they've got it in a gold splatter marble, very pretty, with hearts. And then they've got this little set. My favorite color is rainbow. I also have it in blue and green. I just noticed they also have some Bic brand name intensity dry erase markers. So it comes in the 2-pack of blue and red. And down here they've got the 2-pack of black. I haven't seen this before. It is a crayon sharpener. Let me know if you have used this and if it works really well. This store has an amazing find where their frames are, and it's these massive rolls of mesh. So let's see, it's a 10-yard roll, 21 inches, and I'm seeing purple, the blue, and purple, and they've got a couple of boxes full. Next to their frame area, they've got some decorative accents, some things I haven't seen before. Really cute little houses. They've got it in 3 versions, and then their pumpkins are back. These are great for DIYs or even decor. Votive holders. Down here, something I have never seen in store. They have the little wooden houses in a couple sizes. I thought those were so cute. I also thought this little sign was super cute. And then down here they've got a few new signs. These are Be Our Guest Heart, a scalloped chalkboard, welcome with the Wi-Fi password, and Wi-Fi sweet Wi-Fi. They also have a few calendars, little perpetual turning calendars. So they've got this one in the green and succulents, the little black house. They've got a unicorn somewhere, and a llama and an elephant. I found the unicorns to show you guys, and then down here they have a few things for weddings that I thought would be really neat. So they're just little signs. I have found it in ceremony and gifts, little arrows. They're really nice signs with little kickstands on the back. And then they have this chalkboard in Our Love Story, and that would be great for a wedding or a shower. Over here they have some 9 feet Berry Garlands in orange and red. Those would be great for the fall. They also have some little signs I haven't seen before. This one, the little cow on top, Farm Sweet Farm. And this one in Take Your Time. And then they've got I Cheech, What's Your Superpower? And then this one with the camel, little pom-poms on it. They are wrapped in plastic. So this one. I have a few of these hanging signs that are full of sequins. It also comes in Yum and Explore. Down here they have some ceramic spheres I have not seen before in a few different colors and textures. And then this little bear, Life is a Journey, enjoy it. Down here some really adorable ceramic vases in the pink, green, and this one, I think this is gray, and then the one behind it is white. So there's a few things in the craft section I want to show you guys. I love that they're putting out individual colors when it comes to the pom-poms. That is very helpful if you're going with a color scheme. They're also doing that with some of their chenille stems. I see some black and white, perfect for crafting for the holidays. Down here they have some wooden cubes I haven't seen before. These could be anything. It could be little supports for a stand. You could make a little perpetual calendar. Those are a great addition to the crafter square. They've also started to put out some of the 3D fabric paint in all kinds of individual little colors. And then I want to show you guys, I just found a bunch of these at the bottom. It is by Crafter Square. It's a very large happy sign in galvanized metal. So this is interesting too. These are perfect for planners or calendars. I'm gonna pick one up myself, but they are over here with all the craft supplies. So I want to show you guys, they're all 300 count and they just come in a few different color versions. So this one's more pastels, and this one that I showed you with the purples and greens, and it also comes in this one with some teal and purple and blue. They've also got a large stock of yarn at this store. They put it all together on an end cap. And this down here in a few colors. So this little end cap has all kinds of little pieces of decor. Pretty much, I think, back to school themed. They do have the little hanging calendars in a few different colors, as well as the door hangers in Dream Big and Dreaming of Space. And then Gone to Space. Over here they have the silicone makeup brush cleaners in the pineapple, purple diamond, and a little unicorn. They've got a lot of little signs down here, and it looks like they're in an outer space, kitty cat, and unicorn theme. And then over here they have some back to school pencil pouches. So these are canvas. They come in these two prints, and then they have these. They're a lot of fun, and that one says, I decide my vibe, anything I need, and then the pink says, I have everything. They also have a couple of journals, this one in the pink, outer space, and then this one in the gray. They have some folders to go with this stuff. I think this one is so cute. Outer space, pandas and sloths and unicorns. And they've got this one, it's so cute. Little rainbow constellations on a black background. It's just a 2-pocket folder. And then they have the 2 prints that they have the pencil pouches in. We're over in the toy section, and they have some things I haven't seen before by Starlink. So I have no clue about what they are. I'm not familiar at all. It says Battle for Atlas. So it's interesting because some look like weapons and then some are characters. So if you know what they are, please comment down below and let me know. These are super cute little hair bows. They've got this one in the purple, the little doggies and cats, and then this one in the black. And if you guys didn't see my last DIY, you may want to check it out. It's using one of these toolboxes. This store has so many. On this end cap strip, they have some of the cutest eyeglass pouches I have seen. The flamingos, ice cream, looks like there's a cactus and some emoji ones. I also like this one in white with the ice cream. And I think there's a sloth and also a llama or alpaca. So a few things over here in the makeup aisle. So they've got this. It's a Lasting Drama Light Liner by Maybelline. That's a fun item to see in the Dollar Tree. They have a lot of this gloss that is by Hard Candy, and it's packaged really well. It's all the same color. It's all the same number. Then they have a lot of this e.l.f. eyeshadow and some e.l.f. color corrector sticks in the green and in this kind of orange. So that one's for under eye circles, and then the green is for the redness. So this store has quite a few e.l.f. brushes. This is called a stipple brush. They have the powder brush, a lot of those actually, an angled brush. That one's also the powder. Up here they've got one that is a contour and another stipple. That one's just got a longer handle to it. And then over here they've got a lot of e.l.f. lipsticks to choose from, a few colors. And then they also have this that is called a wax pencil, and then eyeliners and lip liners. Over here they have some sugar lip scrubs by LA Colors in tubes like lipsticks, and then they actually have quite a few different shades of lipstick from Wet n Wild. They also have some LA Colors Prism Gel. These are iridescent body glitters in a few different colors. They've also got some Wet n Wild Gel Lip Balms. Just this color, it's like a really hot pink. And then these little sheet masks, they're Egg White Bedtime Sleeping Masks by Spa Life. I've never seen these before, but they do look like little packages of eggs. Down here they have some Freeman masks. So this one is a cleansing sheet mask, the purifying in shower mask, and this one in revitalizing. So this store's put out something called Frog Togs. It's a chili mini wrap. So I think I'll pick one up and give it a try. And a sign of the times, they are selling a 2-pack of masks. They do say that they are disposable. They're kind of like what a hospital gown is made out of. Over near the register, they have a few fun finds. I'm sure these were left over from Father's Day. They have the hanging calendars, but I thought that this sign was so cute in Free Hugs. I also like the shape of it. They've got this one in Girl Boss. And then down here, Never Stop Dreaming. They've got a dream one down at the bottom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little trip into the Dollar Tree to see what is new. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.